What's up guys, Residual Marcelis here. I'm gonna be showing my guns to you. If you've seen the other video, I was using this gun right now. This gun, I'm shooting it to the wall. If you can see those bullets on my brother's bed. I don't know if they can see, but yeah, there it is. So first, I got this. It's not really a gun, but it's like to hold your bullets. And here's my little bit, and then something down. Okay. I got the beast. I got the beast. I got the beast. I'm gonna get you for the wing. And I can't. It's a big gun. Oh. Big gun. Look. So this is for. Yeah. That's the for this gun. Oh, my sniper. Where the topper here is gone. I don't know what happened. But I got different parts. Those and then just gotta put it on. So sniper rifle. So me and Tom below. So like this one, the beast. It goes like you gotta push here and then shoot and go like you hold it and you're like. And this one, I broke right here so you can go like. So this one's good. It's good. This one, we showed the other video. Pretty good. This one doesn't shoot no more. Oh yeah. Now here's how to hold the bullets for the beast again. Pistol. Load up, you put that and shoot. This one hurts. And then this gun. Just to say you press right here and then just shoot one blast. One blast. The more louder it goes, the more faster it goes. With this one, you're like. It's like a machine gun. I got this weird gun. No, what it is? You see that ball? Yes, when I put it down, it's gonna fall on it. And I don't know what to do with this gun. Silly. My God. I don't know about this gun. But it looks good. It's like a real one. I don't like this one. So these are all guns and all that I show you. The beast. So yeah. Peace out, brah. My God. Oh yeah. Subscribe. Punch that subscribe button and comment down below what gun you like, or what thing. Like one of these. So which one do you like? This one, the clear one. So, subscribe and like. Peace out, brah.